Are you a professional working in the mining industry but don't come from a background of mining? Do you deliver services or products to the industry but haven't worked at site? Are you looking to further your career in a mining related position but don't have the relevant industry experience? If so, why don't you fast track your knowledge of mining by joining close to 10,000 people who have taken RPM's Mining for Non-Miners training course. Mining for Non-Miners will empower you to make better decisions and work in a much more collaborative way with mining professionals, operations and corporate functions. The course is offered through instructor-led classroom training sessions or through RPM's online training platform. By taking this course, not only will you gain a better understanding of the industry, but you'll also learn the fundamentals of geology, exploration, planning, extraction and processing. You can take part in a public classroom course at various RPM offices around the planet. If your team is interested, we can also customise the content to meet your exact requirements and deliver it privately at a time and location that suits your needs. RPM's online Mining for Non-Miners course can be accessed from a computer or mobile device, making learning on the go easy, fun and engaging. By taking this course, you'll return to your line of work with the knowledge you need to make a real difference. If you'd like to learn more or inquire about our corporate licensing options that are available, contact us at rpmglobal.com/training. Otherwise, to access the online Mining for Non-Miners course, visit our shop at store.rpmglobal.com.